16 to the power of x plus 36 to the power of x is equal to 81 to the power of x. Then value of x is, so we have another interesting problem. So let us find the value of x. To find the value of x, we will divide this whole equation by 16 to the power of x. So this equation will become 1 plus 36 to the power of x divided by 16 to the power of x is equal to 81 to the power of x divided by 16 to the power of x. Now we can write this equation as 1 plus 36 divided by 16 to the whole power of x is equal to 81 by 16 whole to the power of x. Okay, you can again further solve it. You will get 1 plus 9 by 4 whole to the power of x is equal to 9 by 4 whole to the power of 2x. Okay, now we will substitute 9 by 4. Let's say, let's take 9 by 4 whole to the power of x is equal to a. Okay, now we will substitute a in this equation. We will write the equation 1 plus 8 is equal to a square. Right, we will rearrange and this will become a square minus a minus 1, this is equal to 0, and this is an quadratic equation. You can solve for value of a. So to solve this, let us write the quadratic equation formula. That is, for this we have two solution, right? So you can write it as a1 comma 2 is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and this is equal to, what is b here? b is minus 1, so plus minus into minus plus 1 plus or minus square root of b square. b is minus 1, that is square 1 minus 4 into, what is a here? 1, 4 into 1, c is minus 1 divided by 2 into a is 1. So after solving further, you will get a1 comma 2 is equal to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 and 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. Okay, now we will solve this further. This is the value of a. These two are value of a, but we want the value of x. So we have already substitute a is equal to 9 by 4 whole to the power of x, and we will substitute same here. So we have two solutions for this. 9 by 4 whole to the power of x is equal to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. I will say why I didn't take 1 minus root 5 divided by 2 in further steps. Okay. Now if I solve this, I am going to take logarithm on both sides. So you will get log 9 by 4 is equal to log of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. Now we have taken logarithm to find out the value of x. Suppose if I take 1 minus root 5 by 2 in this equation, then 1 minus root 5 by 2 will become a negative logarithm. Hence, it is not a real value and it is not defined actually. That's the reason I didn't take minus 1 this solution. I didn't take this solution, and we have only one solution for x, that is one real solution for x, that is 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. That's why I have taken 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. And this is also known as golden ratio. This is also known as golden ratio. Okay. Now we will solve this. We will continue with this equation. To solve this, 1 plus root 5 by 2 divided by log 9 by 4. If you solve this, you will get the solution x is equal to 0.5934. So this is the value of x. This is the real value of x. I hope this video is very interesting. Thank you for watching video and keep watching.